Hey guys, get ready for the useful insights and exam tips from an industry-recognized trainer with more than 20 years experience to help you pass your upcoming CMFAS and CACS module exams. You are listening to Khinloke from CMFAS-exam.com.sg. I'm going to share with you the most important formulas that you must know when you go for your Module 6A exam. Page 325 of your study guide. You are provided with formulas on options and warrants. Almost every formula here will have exam questions for you to handle during the exam.